G'day everyone, Matthew here from All Things Containers. Today we're going to be looking at the twistlock container caster wheel with fixed pin. At All Things Containers, we're a family-owned business committed to providing top quality parts and products.
With over 20 years experience, we've got everything you need.
If you've ever needed to move your shipping container around your warehouse or a flat surface, we've got the product for you. These caster wheels are built for moving shipping containers on flat surfaces like concrete or bitumen. They're heavy duty, secure, and designed to make container handling easier. They lock directly into the container's corner cast, so setup is quick and secure. Each wheel comes with a brake, giving you full control when you're moving your container. All 4 wheels swivel, which means steering the container is simple. Individual wheels are rated at 3 tonnes, which gives you a combined working load limit of 12 tonnes across the set. They also come with a locking pin. This lets you stop the wheel from rotating if you need the container to move in a straight line. At All Things Containers, we focus on making container handling easier and safer. These caster wheels are strong, simple to use, and built for the job. If you'd like to learn more, check the link below or get in touch with us here at All Things Containers. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.